medyo, welcome to a new video. So it's just a quick unboxing from Coach. So I have 2 bags, I think, and 1 wallet and sandals. So this one, if you watch just a vlog from when we go shopping, this is just already it's pre-opened. I got a tiny wallet. So like it's just a mini wallet. So I'm planning to give this one for my in-law since they are coming for a visit. So yeah, it's a tiny Coach and I can just slide it back. So this is for my in-law. Next is from this box. Okay. I'll just open everything. Oh, where's the other one? This box is the shoes. So this. So yeah. So that's that. So I purchased this on the Coach outlet. I haven't seen this one in the Coach boutique. So I like this one because you can adjust. I have a wider foot, so probably hopefully it fits me. Here's the other pair. It's quite heavy, so this is rubber. It's about 1.5 inches. So it's black and then white. So at the back, side, front, bottom, and yeah, that's how it looks like. So I supposed to have I purchased 2 bags. It's supposed to be a gift for my daughter. On her birthday, but the other one didn't arrive. I thought with the 2 bags they're together, but yeah. Ta-da! It's just a cute tiny thing. Hopefully she likes it. Yeah, it's like that. It has a tag. That's the inside. So yeah, it's a cutesy little bag with the butterflies and snails and beetles, and these are it's insect. So yeah, and yeah, I'll add the next bag when it arrives because I didn't expect that it's not here. So I need to rewrap this for my daughter on her birthday. So here's the second package just arrived. So here's the bag. They didn't package really well, but upon inspection, okay naman siya. It's just that they didn't package really well. They just stuff everything, and yeah, it's quite tiny and small. Other one packed really well. They have potions. And this one, the other one, they just stuff it in a bag, plastic bag. So for comparison, they are the same in length, but the other one is more smaller. So this is how the bag looks like. Side, top handle, bottom, and then inside is pitch black and with silver hardware. I didn't pay for this price. I paid $130. I think it's on sale. So yeah, I think it's a good deal for her birthday, for my daughter's birthday soon. So the crossbody is adjustable, also removable. Update on the slide. So yeah, I wore it to the park. I love it because it's adjustable. I can adjust it here because I have a little wider foot. And yeah, it's okay, but it's white, so you can really see that it's dirty. But yeah, it's quite quite bigger than expected. It's rubber, so my foot is a little bit sweaty. But yeah, it's okay. I find it comfortable. I didn't have blisters. So yeah, that's my little review of this one.